Hi students, welcome to the Sarasas Witiad Ratchapruek School. English Language Grade 3 Lesson 2, and this is a continuation of numbers. Let's have a listen to the audio here and see about the shapes.
Theme 1. Numbers. Lesson 4. A. Listen, point and say. 1. Square. 2. Circle. 3. Triangle. 4. Rectangle. 5. Star. 6. Oval.
Let's say the shapes again. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, star, oval.
Pronunciation tip.
I can see a star. I can see a star.
I can see a star. Listen. Sing along.
How many squares can you see?
How many squares can you see?
I can see 6 squares.
I can see 6 squares.
How many circles can you see?
How many circles can you see?
I can see 8 circles.
I can see 8 circles.
How many triangles can you see?
How many triangles can you see?
I can see 3 triangles.
I can see 3 triangles.
How many rectangles can you see?
How many rectangles can you see?
I can see 5 rectangles.
I can see 5 rectangles.
How many stars can you see?
How many stars can you see?
I can see 6 stars.
I can see 6 stars.
How many ovals can you see?
How many ovals can you see?
I can see 7 ovals.
I can see 7 ovals.
Okay students, we have the little graph down the bottom of the page here. Let's see how many of the shapes you can find. So let's look at the triangles starting off. The dark blue triangles. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 triangles. I want you to have a look and see how many you can count of the circles, the squares, the rectangles, the stars, and the ovals. Let's see how many you get.
Theme 1. Numbers. Lesson 5. New words. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Robot.
Robot,
2.
Doll.
doll,
3.
Action figure.
action figure,
4.
Minus.
minus,
5.
Plus.
plus,
6,
Equals.
Equals. So let's say those words again. Robot, doll, action figure, minus, plus, equals. Let's read about two children in South Korea and their toys, and we can fill in the blanks. Sue-mi and her brother, Sung-min, live in Seoul, South Korea. They really like toys. Sue-mi loves dolls. She has 9 dolls. Sung-min gives her 5 dolls. So how many dolls does Sue-mi have? 9 plus 5 equals, and you put the answer in there. The answer is 14. Sung-min has 7 robots. His mother gives him 3 more. How many robots does Sung-min have? So our math here is 7 plus 3 equals, so let's put the answer in there. 7 plus 3 equals, who got 10? And it's Sue-mi's birthday. Her grandfather gives her 8 dolls. Sue-mi gives 3 to her friends. So how many dolls does Sung-min have left? So we have 8 minus 3 equals 5.
listening. Listen and circle. Look at the pictures. Listen. There is one example. 1.
Okay, listen everyone. Steve has 3 robots. His mom gives him 1 robot. How many robots does Steve have?
3 plus 1 equals 4. He has 4 robots.
Correct.
Can you see the circle? This is an example. Now listen and circle. 2.
Mike has 15 action figures. His brother gives him 5 action figures. How many action figures does Mike have?
15 plus 5 equals 20. He has 20 action figures.
Good job.
3.
Lisa has 11 dolls. She gives her sister 2 dolls. How many dolls does Lisa have?
11 minus 2 equals 9. She has 9 dolls.
You're right.
4.
Jenny has 10 teddy bears. Her dad gives her 6 teddy bears. How many teddy bears does she have?
10 plus 6 equals 16. She has 16 teddy bears.
Correct.
Now listen again.
Okay, let's look at this. Write the numbers. Point and say. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So we have 15 robots. What about the dolls? 17 minus 2 is 15. We have 15 dolls. Number 3, action figures. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Number 4, the action figure. 12 plus 6 equals 18. Number 5, the robot. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And number 6, the doll. We have 1 doll plus 13 dolls equals 14. Let's write the answers down the bottom. John has 9 robots and his father gives him 3 robots. How many robots does he have? 9 plus 3 equals 12. So John has 12 robots. Number 2, Emily has 15 dolls. She gives 3 to her sister. How many dolls does she have? So you work that out. Emily has 15 minus 3 equals 12. Emily has 12 dolls. Stephen has 8 action figures and his grandfather gives him 2 more. How many action figures does he have? 8 plus 2 equals 10. Stephen has 10 action figures.
Theme 1. Numbers. Lesson 6. Listening. Listen and draw lines. Look at the pictures. Listen. There is one example.
Who's he?
He's Tom.
How old is he?
He's 7 years old.
7?
Yeah, that's right.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now, listen and draw lines. 1.
What's his name?
That's Sam.
How old is Sam?
He's 44 years old.
How old?
He's 44.
2.
Who's she?
She's Lucy's grandmother. She's Grace.
How old is she?
She's 73 years old.
73?
Yeah, that's right.
3.
What's his name?
Oh, that's Dan.
How old is Dan?
He's 69 years old.
How old?
He's 69.
4.
Who's she?
She's Tom's mom. She's Anne.
How old is she?
She's 43 years old.
43?
Yep, that's right.
Now listen again.
Okay, let's look at the pictures and look at the letters and write the words. Okay, so the first one is 12, so we have to work out the spelling of the word. Okay, number 1 is 24, so you have to write the letters 24 on the right hand side. The second one is 56. So let's write the words on the right hand side, 56. And number 3 is 89. 89. So let's write that number on the right hand side. Let's listen and sing along.
Song. Listen. Sing along.
Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many shapes can you see?
shapes can you see?
I can see 2 triangles. I can see 3 squares. 2 triangles plus 3 squares is 5. 5 shapes. I can see 5 shapes. How many shapes can you see? How many shapes can you see? I can see 4 rectangles. I can see 5 circles. 4 rectangles plus 5 circles is 9. 9 shapes. I can see 9 shapes. How many shapes can you see? How many shapes can you see? I can see 6 ovals. I can see 12 stars. 6 ovals plus 12 stars is 18. 18 shapes. I can see 18 shapes. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, now we have a board game here. How about getting a friend of yours to play the board game with you? So we start and take it in turns. Okay, the winner moves 2 spaces, the loser moves 1 space backwards. Okay, so when you finish the game, let's see who is the winner. Okay, students, that ends our lesson for today. So what we should be able to do now is I can ask for someone's phone number and say mine. I can ask and say how old someone is. I can do basic math, and I can ask and answer about the number of shapes I see. That's the end of the lesson for today. So we'll see you soon. Take care.